Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen on this device. Firstly, go into one of your apps, like Play Store, and click on this button with 3 lines. Now you need to click on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select split screen. Lastly, tap on the other app, and as you can see, now I can operate in both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag your first tab upwards and select home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!